Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Pelvis Bresley. "10 o'clock high, people, where creativity is a habit, and every day I pick up my guitar at 10 a.m., something's gonna happen." And it just did, okay? I mean, if an idea actually makes you laugh that you came up with, you probably better write it down. Check this out. I'm going through, I'm using my Pitchfork like 3 octaves down, and if I hit one of the low notes, the amp just sounds like it's gonna blow up. And it's going through the viscous, TC Electronic viscous vibe and the flashback delay. But it's just, this just sounds fun. It's very elephant-like. Okay, so that's the sound that I came up with, and I'm just going to come up with some different ideas in between that, and that's going to be like the chorus of my idea. And this might turn into a framework that could be a fun song. Let's go. Big ending. That's got more going on in it than a lot of jazz classics. That might be the song right there. Thanks for watching. 10 o'clock.